A Michigan divorce can easily cost $10,000 or more. With Autonomy, it's $499. But cost is not the only consideration. Here's why people use Autonomy. Your child support isn't an estimate. It's the actual Michigan formula, calculated with software previously only available to attorneys. And the results go straight into your uniform child support order. Instead of confusing forms, Paige walks you through a guided interview. 30 minutes, start to finish. Upload your financial documents. We read them and populate your forms automatically. Property division uses yet another piece of software previously only available to attorneys. Assets, debts, equalization, calculated correctly. Your judgment of divorce isn't a blank court form. It's a 35-section document, ready for the judge. Every instruction is specific to your county, your courthouse, your filing method, your deadlines. We tell you exactly what to do, step by step, with addresses and deadlines included. Built by a practicing Michigan divorce attorney, not a tech company guessing at family law. Autonomy.legal. Start your free interview.